Good morning, traders. Richard here with a quick point and figure chart update on Tesla. I've got the 10 by 3 point and figure chart here, which means the 10-point box size, $10 with a three box reversal, which means a $30 drop to the downside will signal a trend change, and a $30 upside after a downtrend will signal a reversal. So these reversal sizes, that's $30 each time. Now Tesla sold off heavily and then managed to rebound from the 565.80 zone, and that's where this support line comes from, this trend line support, and we had a fantastic rebound in and around the 580 zone. We had plenty of point and figure chart buy signals there. When we broke past the 640, it activated the 750 upside point and figure chart target. So we now already hit that this week. So it's well done to Tesla there. We've already hit the 740 point and figure chart target. So that one was identified back there. Now we're looking at the upside target of 770 as the next target, and then we can expect some form of a consolidation because it's hit these targets, had a nice rebound. But the big benefit is we broke this downtrend here, this trend line here on a point and figure chart basis. So we flipped back above that, so that is very encouraging. So the upside target for now is 770, and then the next level is 800, this one, yeah, and 820. So that's the next upside target. And then there's a really big target of 860 and 880, but much later for those particular targets. So I do expect those to appear over time, not necessarily over the next couple of weeks. But nevertheless, the shorter term targets we're looking for is 770, and that comes soon after it hit the 750 and 740 upside targets, with a very optimistic 820 upside target at that key level. If we're going to look at it a little bit more intraday, so I've got the hourly point and figure. It's just a 60-minute. There's no real time frame on point and figure charts, and that's the beauty of point and figure charts. We eliminate dates entirely. We're just focusing on the price action here. So we can see back here the 550 rebound here. You can see there upside targets 650, 655, 685. Those targets were all met. So these are much shorter term targets. We recently hit the 730 upside point and figure chart target, as well as 755 upside point figure chart target on the 60-minute point and figure chart. I've got the 5 by 3 box size there, which means $15 reversal to the upside or downside will result in a change in the chart. Now the upside target on the shorter term time frame is 785, that zone there, and we can see this 785 zone is a resistance zone here, and it was a key support zone back here in January. So be aware of that. It should be an easy ride up to about 785, 795, and then might just touch 800 if it's because it's a round number. And that's that resistance zone, which used to be a support zone. So the upside targets for the shorter term here is 785 and 795 on Tesla. And then there's a whopping 915 target, another 20% upside potential, but I expect that to happen much later. Now, based on the point and figure chart analysis, the trend is still up because we can draw these 45-degree lines, trend lines on the point and figure. So far the trend is up, and if Tesla breaks down below this trend line, then that would signify a significant reversal to the downside. Now, downside risks where we are now is the 670, as well as this huge number down here, 500, but we won't get there anytime soon. Of course, that target to be activated, Tesla needs to break past this downside level, so I wouldn't worry about these downside targets. But 670 is a current downside risk, so 11% downside risk, and there's 5% to 21% upside potential on Tesla, looking at this shorter term type point and figure chart. Until next time, happy point and figure chart trading. Bye for now.